Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Netflix account in phone. All right. So first up, if you're new to Netflix, go ahead and click on the link below to enjoy a discount if you enter the promo code GUMMY. Okay. Down here, of course, go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and go ahead and find Netflix. Like so. Tap on Netflix. And if it says install here, go ahead and tap on install. And once done, the open button will be available. Just go ahead and tap on it to open up Netflix. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, it will pop up your Gmail or sign in options right here. If you do have an account, go ahead and tap on an account to automatically log in. Okay. If not, there will be a sign in button right here at the top. I don't know if you can see it, but here's blank. Just tap on sign in, enter your email or phone number, then the password, which is tied to your Netflix account. And once done, just tap on the sign in button and you're good to go. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to tap on a account right here, like so, and just wait for it to load. Now in here, you can just easily create a profile. If you don't have a profile, just tap on one and it will ask you to enter your name. For example, this profile right here. Now it will ask you to enter your PIN if you have set up a PIN. If not, you can just go ahead and straight up log in. All right, as you can see here, I am now logged in. And that's basically how you open up your Netflix account in a phone. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.